guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here for another unboxing. Today I have my Ipsy, my Macy's, both for September, just because of how they came in the month and my own schedule. I didn't get to film them till the last weekend in September. I also have an Ipsy Mystery Bag, and then I'm throwing in my FabFitFun from the summer as well, because I didn't really know where to put it. I didn't want to do a separate video for it. Didn't want to put it in with my haul because my haul was quite long. So I decided to throw it in here as well. I got it for half price. That's the only reason I subscribed for the summer. And then I canceled immediately, and yeah. Anyway, this one, I've already started talking and filming, and I realized I hadn't hit record. Thought I did. I didn't. So yeah. We started with Macy's, and this is this month's bag. It's very pretty. I like the rainbowness of it. I really like the shape. I like the size. I just like how sturdy it feels. Like it's stiff and it's standing up, which sometimes bags don't do that on their own. So I do like that aspect of it. We're going to start with the last thing that I was talking about, because I realized when I realized I wasn't filming. So this is the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. This retails for $20, and I don't usually wear this type of a thing, but I think with the pandemic and wearing masks still, every day for work, I will probably use this because I like to wear this as I'm putting on my makeup. I put this on kind of as a moisturizer before makeup. So I will use this, and yeah, that's kind of useful. The next thing, which is the only thing that I hadn't talked about, I had unfurled everything as well. I forgot to say, this is what this month's little thing looks like. I did get a slip that said that they were replacing something, and I think I'll like it even more. I didn't. But then this month has a 10 off of 40 coupon. You can use this once in store and once online. So let's go back to this. This is Clarins. This is the Extra Firming Energy Day Cream, and this retails for $88 for a full size. Guarantee that I will not be purchasing a full size $88 moisturizer. It's just a baby sample. I've tried this before and I like it, so I definitely will use this for sure. And we have the two perfume samples. We have Bad Boy Le Parfum, and then you have Carolina Herrera. They're both Carolina Herrera. This is very good, girl, and I said, spoiler alert, I already purchased this and I've worn it a couple times, so it's coming in an upcoming perfume haul. It hasn't been filmed yet, and I don't know when it's going to be filmed, so it will eventually, you'll see me talk about it. I think it's in a similar vein as Delina and Angel Nova, but I like it better because it doesn't have the woodiness to it, and I've been enjoying it so far. So these two I will be passing along because I already have a full size of it, and I don't need to keep a sample of it too. Then we got this lip gloss from BareMinerals. Oh, those perfumes retail for, the men's was $108 and the women's was $132. This retails full size for $20. This is in the shade Sincerity, and as I said, when you weren't listening, because I wasn't recording, one, this doesn't look like a shade I will probably wear. It doesn't look nearly as pretty as the shade on the box. And two, I have so many lip glosses. I've really been trying to go through my lip glosses. I still have 80 lip glosses. I go through maybe 2 a year. So I'm trying to step up my game, but I don't wear a lot of lip glosses. So this one I'm just going to automatically pass along so that I don't feel guilty about it or use it once and then it goes bad, because lip glosses do go bad, unfortunately. Then there was this nail polish from Mineral Fusion. This retails for $8.99. It is a full size. It is a sea salt nail polish. Pull this up. It was on backwards, but I put it on the right way. And I decided that this is not really a shade that I probably will wear. I am also trying to work through all my nail polishes and decide which ones I like or which one I don't. You probably have noticed most of my videos in the past 6 months or so, I've had 2-color nail polishes. That's because I've been trying to wear multiple nail polishes to see which ones I like, which ones work, which ones chip. And I found that I think it's partly my base coat, because I don't feel like I'm giving my nails as good of a shot now that I've used that one up that I really liked, and I'm using some other ones that I don't feel like they work as well. Anyway, this is the shade Blushing Crystal. So this will also be passed along. And finally is a sheet mask from TonyMoly. This retails for $3. This is the Hydrating Lavender one. They were supposed to send a calming hemp one. Can't use lavender because it gives me a terrible headache, the smell of lavender. Can't use hemp because I'm allergic to hemp. Like, it causes terrible things to my skin. So I wouldn't have used either one of them. So I didn't like this one better, but I didn't like it worse either. So yeah, I'm keeping 2 out of the 7 items, which is not the best. But I am excited about the 10 off of 40 coupon because that's a pretty good coupon. Moving on to Ipsy. I love the bag this month as well. This just reminds me of Clueless. It's so cute. It's just very darling. Really like the pattern on it. The first thing I got didn't fit in the bag. So this is from BRTC, their vitamin A velvet mask and a vitamin B5 vitamin mask or velvet mask. This one is soothing with panthenol and cica, and this one is firming with beta glucan. I don't know what that is, but 2 sheet masks. I will definitely use those as long as they don't have lavender or something in them, or peppermint. Let's see if the card actually says things. It says work, school, life. Yeah, life. I don't have enough. Nope, nothing on the card, so it is a worthless card. Don't send me a card if you're not going to put my products on it. Just waste. We have from the Balm, this is the Bronzilla, and I think that's a little dark for me. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't think I will probably use it. The bronzer that I have on is like the lightest one that Becca did, and yeah, so that one will be passed along. Then we're pulling out this little guy. This is Shades by SHAN, and it is in the shade Irma. Let's see, it is a highlighter. It is a very run-of-the-mill highlighter. You know what? I love highlighters. I have so many highlighters, and I'm also trying to go through my highlighters. I feel like that's like a constant thing. I'm going to pass this along because I think it looks so similar to other things that I already have. And do I need another highlighter? No, because I easily have over 100 highlighters. I don't even know how many highlighters I have because I just kept buying them and getting them in subs. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to pass along these 2. Didn't I mention how much I love this bag? I love this bag. If they had another one that was like the mystery one, I would totally buy any more bags in this stuff. It's so cute. Then this is the choice item that I chose, which is the Soft Cream Cleanser from TATCHA. Have no idea how it is, but it seemed like the best of the choices that I have, so I'll try it. And finally, I have an eye primer from M2U NYC. I've never heard of this brand. I'm going to leave it sealed though because I just opened a brand new eye primer this past week, and it's going to be in my sample Saturday in a couple weeks, because I'm a couple weeks behind on my samples, which is good because then if I skip a week, you don't miss a week. Anyway, I do have some other eye primers that I need to use up that I've had for a while, so this will go at the bottom of my list. And I like that it's sealed so I know to not use it first. All right, let's talk the mystery Ipsy bag. This is this one. Oh, well, let's talk Ipsy versus Macy's really fast before I get onto the mystery bag and the FabFitFun. Neither one was a great month for me. I loved the actual bags themselves. There was a couple things in each that I will get use out of, like sheet mask and a cleanser, and my Ipsy, I'll use those fairly, pretty soon. In Macy's, I'll use the lipstick eventually. I'll eventually use the cream. I couldn't even remember what the other item is. That's how boring it was. So Macy's was not a good one. Ipsy was very boring too. 2 makeup products, but the same shade that I always get from highlighters, and a bronzer that's way too dark. Yeah, not exciting. Kind of a bummer on both. All right, this is this Ipsy mystery bag. I just thought it was cute. I liked that it looked kind of like a woven and kind of gold, and I liked the turquoise up here, or the teal. The first thing we got was a set of 2 sheet masks. These are both Bulgarian rosewater face masks from the Creme shop. I think they'll be fine. At least I got something good out of it. Oh, and let me know what you think of the price increase at Ipsy. I'm really interested to know because I don't think it's worth $13. I'm struggling with the $12 and I had just signed up for a year. So let me know how you're feeling with Ipsy, like overall with the price increase. Do you feel like they're getting better or worse, or do you feel like they're the same? Let me know. The first thing I'm pulling out of the actual bag is from Veriphy. It is the Phytoglyogen and Peptides Eye Cream, which I'm pretty sure I've gotten before. So I probably have a full size of it. I'll use it eventually though. You know, skincare eventually gets used. Let's go over the next things. Then we have a Hey Honey Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer, which is exciting because I do like Hey Honey, what I have tried from them. Then we have from Goldfaden MD, this is a overnight regenerative facial treatment. This is, I need to look this up if this is a serum or if it is a moisturizer, because at this point I don't know and it doesn't really tell me. Final item in here is from Sugar. This is a matte as hell crayon lipstick. Let's see what the shade actually looks like after I get it open. Ooh, that looks kind of pretty. We'll do a nice little swatch. That seemed really pretty. Went on really smooth. I think this will be a good thing. Definitely more exciting than what I got in my actual Ipsy. All right, finally, let's go over FabFitFun and what I got. I got the half price box that they were advertising, and they got me because they were advertising that they had the Lily Pulitzer glasses as one of the items for choice, and I was like, oh, yes, please. I really want those. So let me see if I can find in here. All right, it doesn't tell me prices, unfortunately. I know they've done in the past, and I know that I've heard people have talked about how they've made changes and stuff. So unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be there. The first thing I got from category 1 is from Summer Fridays. This is the CC Me Serum, and it's an AM and PM moisturizer or serum. I know nothing about it, but a serum is always nice, and Summer Fridays is kind of like coming into prominence, so that's the first thing that I picked up. At half price, this box ended up being $25, so I feel like I'm getting a good value, better than what I was getting with Ipsy Plus or with BoxyCharm for sure. Then customization 2, I got a nightgown because it was Draper James, which is the design company of Reese Witherspoon, and I thought it was cute, and at least it was practical. It was something that I would use eventually. Yeah. Then for customization 3, this was the weird one, and I couldn't remember what I got, and I finally found these, and I was like, this must have been what I got because it wasn't in the catalog, and they don't let you look back at what you chose or what was in your box, which is super annoying. Like, let me see what I got before. Anyway, I picked up the Hum Gummies with Benefits Hair Sweet Hair for Stronger, Healthier Hair, Biotin, Folic Acid, Foti, B12 Zinc, and PABA. I don't know. Thought I would take them. I don't really care if they do much. I just kind of like having gummies at night. Because like if I'm munchy, I just take a whole bunch of gummy vitamins and it just, you know, can't hurt, right? I mean, it could hurt, but it's, yeah. Customization 4, I picked up this guy. This is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. I really liked some of the watermelon line. I liked the loose powder, really. I tried the pressed powder and it was okay. And I'm using the primer right now and it's just okay. I'm not loving it, but thought I would try a setting spray because it sounded nice, and I just like watermelon. It's a really nice bottle. Like, look at that sprayer. It just really kind of luxe. I think they did nice with that. Oh, and they gave me stickers as well. For number 5, I picked up this tray when I got that far. And of course they didn't, like, it was after they took your money that you got to make your customizations. So I didn't know that the Lily Pulitzer wasn't available until afterwards, which was kind of disappointing. But this is what the tray looks like. I think it'll be nice. Put some stuff on it. I don't think it, like, I guess you could put something to serve, but it seems kind of small for that. I think it's going to be more decorative. And then customization 6. They're only doing like 6 things now, and some of them you could get 3 things together, or you could get like 2 bigger things or 1 really big or higher value thing. So they had like a whole bunch of crazy different things in there. I ended up getting this weird set, and I don't think I chose this set. I think this was what they chose for me. So I have this watermelon, or not watermelon, pineapple ice cube mold, which honestly I'm going to give to somebody who will use, because as much as I would love to be a hostess and do all this stuff, I don't see myself doing this. And it's just another piece of thing. I would say junk, but I know some people will like this. But for me, it would be just another piece of junk in the house that I don't need to clutter up. So that is going to be passed along. As is, well, this I might see if my dad can use, because he might use this. This is like a citrus squeezer, and you put the like citrus here, and then you squeeze it, and it comes out the side. I might use this. I don't know. Anyway, that was the second item. And the third item in this group was from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the lip or fruit butter lip mask, and I don't think, yeah, this should be good. It should be vegan and cruelty free, which are good things. Yeah, cruelty free and vegan, and that's what it looks like. So kind of, you know, I feel like for $25 I got a good value, and I'm happy with what I got. Would I have been happy if I had paid $50, or even if I was an annual member and I was like locked in to get stuff? I probably wouldn't be as happy, but let me know. Let me know if you get FabFitFun, Ipsy, Macy's, what you got in your boxes. Let me know how you are doing as well. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.